Hey YouTube, this is Chris and I'm going to show you how to grip a backhand and how to throw it. So take the disc in your left hand and then take your right hand, and then place it on the rim. And make sure that you have your index finger pushing up against the edge of the rim, your middle finger pushing up on the actual disc, and these two fingers down here wrapped up against the rim. Okay, that's the grip. Here's how to stand. So, basically want to stand feet apart, and then you want this foot take a step forward while you have the frisbee in your hand with your grip, and then you want to make sure you move your hand forward and flip your wrist to get that spinning motion. So like this. After you do that a couple times, then see if you can throw it. So here's how you throw it. Okay, that's it for now. I'll be back for more. Hope to see you soon. Peace.